Today is a special day because we are crossing the desert, and today is the highest forecasted wind that the riders had since the beginning of the trip. It's a long day, 132 kilometers. We are predicting gust headwind of 52 kilometers per hour. Yeah, it's not a funny day if this is true.
Hey guys, how are you?
A little wet, very wet.
Here in this part of Argentina, there is a legend of the Difunta Correa. They worship the Difunta Correa throughout the desert here in the hope that if you're crossing the desert, that you're gonna have water enough. Everybody that we're talking today in the campsite, the locals, they came to me now in the morning and they said, wow, it's amazing weather, you guys are so lucky. Because it's a blast to cross the desert in the rain.
Hey Katie! Ça va?
Rangers are shrews.
How is it going?
The road is bad.
Bathtub hands.
Oh, there's sunshine. Can you feel it? Be safe, have fun, share the suffering. Yeah, I heard that Patagonia is like that, so it is a training for the wind and rain in Patagonia.